Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can merge boards on Pinterest. So you're just going to go to your profile here and you're going to select the sort of board you want to merge. So I'm just going to select retro recipes for mine. Then I'm just going to select these three dots, and as you can see there is a merge in board options. Select that and select the other board you want to merge this board with. So I'm just going to select retro for mine and select done. So now if I go and open up that board, the board will be moved there. As you can see, the board has already been merged with the other board on Pinterest, and that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!